Welcome to my YouTube channel. Before watching my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit my notification bell. Okay, my friends, today I would like to teach you how to create a fun learning quiz using Quizizz for your students. First of all, go to the Google search, type Quizizz. Then choose Quizizz website, click the sign up. You can sign up using Gmail account. If you're a teacher, you choose the first box. If you're a student, you choose the second box. If you're a businessman, you choose the last box. For me, I am a teacher, so I choose the first box. After entering the Quizizz website, but you can find and use quiz question that has been created by others. In the search box, enter the name of your quiz. Select the relevant subject, and then click Next button. After that, select Write Your Own. Now you can create your questions, enter your question or instructions, upload your image, set the answers, set the timer that you want to. Enter your question or instructions, upload your image, set the answers, set the timer that you want to. Besides, you can set the quiz cover photo that you wanted from your laptop. For this video, I have created 4 questions about colors in arts. After finish creating your quiz, you click Finish Quiz button which located in the top right corner. Now you can click Play Live button, host a game by select Classic Mode. Then click Host Game. Then a screen will appear. Now, you can send the link and code to your students using WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Google Classroom or other related platforms to conduct your quizzes. Or you can download the app in Android, enter the code, or ask you, student, using smartphone enter the joinmyquiz.com in their internet browser. After entering the page enter the code that you have given to them, 924,392. Enter student name. Then the quiz game will start. If your student chose the right answer, your student will be rewarded with marks. If your student chooses the wrong answer, it will reveal the right answer so that your student able to learn, and student can redo the question. When the game finished, student marks will appear in Overview tab. Besides, you can integrate Quiz into Google Classroom. Find the quiz that you want. Click Assign HW, set the due date and time that you wanted, choose the class, and click Assign Game. Now you have to inform your students to check their Google Classroom to answer the quiz. This is the example of the video how student log in his login to Quizizz using Google Classroom account. At the end of the game, all the marks will automatically be stored in Google Classroom. You can find their marks in Grades button above in Google Classroom. This marks will be the evidence for the students, so teacher don't need to mark their assignment. Please take note, student marks will update in Google Classroom 24 hours after the answer their quiz, so be patient. I hope this video will help you all. Before ending my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share and hit my notification bell. See you in the next video. Thank you.